Bula Vinaka and a very good morning to you all. It is an honor and privilege for me to accept the invitation and stand here today to join the Narere community in celebrating Diwali, the festival of lights in the Hindu calendar. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank the organizers of this Diwali celebration for their invitation to speak today. You, the people of Narere, live and work and go to school in one of the Fiji's busiest corridor in Fiji's biggest municipality, that is Nasimo. I'm pleased to see so many of you who have joined us and the students of Narere Primary. Ladies and gentlemen, Diwali is a joyous festival. A festival that is given national prominence with the national holiday in Fiji. It is a festival that has traditionally united all Fijians through its color, food and sweets, and the celebrations around it. Ladies and gentlemen, perhaps more importantly, its message of unity and the promotion of humanity and community has come to the fore and unite all Fijians. Ladies and gentlemen, for me, this is perhaps the most important aspect of Diwali that we can carry on with long after the sweets and firecrackers have finished. The message for today, as you all know, that we are coming closer to the general election, ladies and gentlemen. That is soon after Diwali. And I am sure and confident that all of you will be enlightened by the message of this festival and choose good over evil. A united and progressive Fiji over a divided and regressive nation. Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here today in an institution of learning. And any such institution is one of the hopes on which the dreams of a developed nation are built. To this end, Fiji's schools have undergone a major transformation in the Fiji Affairs government's journey for an education for our children. And this has been delivered by the Fiji Affairs government, who has given our children, schools, and parents priority in education. Our initiatives in terms of improving education in our society includes the following: free primary education, free secondary education, free tertiary education, free vocational education, including providing them tools to start business, free bus fare, free milk for year ones, free textbooks, $250 per child in primary school, and the list goes on. Your government, the Fiji Affairs government, believes in all-around child program and development. That is mental, physical, and spiritual growth. Cultural celebrations help in spiritual development of a child. Diwali is a festival for all ages, especially our children. The importance of lighting the diya or oil lamp signifies the victory of good over evil. Ladies and gentlemen, the festival of lights that we celebrate, the victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. In Fiji, the festival of lights came with the indented Indians or Girmitias to Fiji. As we celebrate Diwali, it is important to remember its origin in Fiji with the Girmitians. Despite their hardships, including beating and torture in the cane fields and plantation of Fiji, and in particular on our women, the Girmitians remained committed to their faith. For the Hindus, it meant a commitment to prayer, religious rites and rituals, and the celebration of religious festivals like Diwali and Holi, among others. No matter how poor they were or how hard their day has been, they always took time to ensure that their culture and traditions were kept. Ladies and gentlemen, this coming weekend, on the 11th November, Remembrance Day events will be held in Suba at Albert Park, at the Girmit Center in Lotoka, and at Bulileka Ram Mandir in Lambasa. As we celebrate Diwali, it is timely that we all remember these Girmitians and their legacy, including this Diwali festival, in our thoughts and prayers. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank all of you for your attention today as we come together to celebrate Diwali, and my special thanks and well wishes to all the children today for their patience and attention. Ladies and gentlemen, can we thank these dear children in our usual manner? On behalf of Honorable Prime Minister and the Fiji Affairs Government, I wish your family and friends and you a very happy and a prosperous Diwali, and for the rest of the festive season. May God bless you all, Vinaka and Dhanyavad.